The engine air filter in your 2001-2005 Honda Civic is housed in a plastic box under the hood, typically on the passenger side. First, open the hood and locate the airbox. It's secured by clips and possibly a hose. Unclip the housing clips to release the top cover. Gently disconnect any attached hoses. Once open, pull out the old air filter. Note the direction of the airflow arrows on the old filter. This indicates the correct installation direction for the new filter. Before installing the new filter, vacuum any debris from inside the airbox. Avoid using water. Insert the new air filter into the airbox, ensuring the airflow arrows point in the same direction as the old filter, typically toward the engine. Make sure the filter sits snugly in the housing to prevent air leaks. Replace the airbox cover, securing the clips to properly seal the housing. Reconnect any hoses that were disconnected earlier. Start the engine and listen for any unusual noises or air leaks around the airbox. If all sounds normal, you've successfully replaced your engine air filter. Remember to recycle the old filter at an auto parts store.